Decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, is a rapidly growing field within the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. It is an alternative financial system that operates independently of centralized institutions such as banks and governments, and instead relies on decentralized networks and protocols. One of the main advantages of DeFi is that it allows for greater financial freedom and autonomy. With DeFi, anyone with an internet connection can access financial services such as borrowing, lending, and trading, without the need for a traditional financial institution. This means that individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services can still participate in the global financial system. Another advantage of DeFi is the potential for greater transparency and security. Decentralized systems operate on a public blockchain, which allows for greater transparency in transactions. Additionally, the use of smart contracts can help to automate and secure financial transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and human error. However, DeFi is not without its disadvantages. One of the biggest challenges facing the DeFi industry is the lack of regulation. Without clear guidelines and oversight, the potential for fraudulent activity and scams is increased. Additionally, the lack of a central authority can make it difficult to resolve disputes or issues that arise. Another challenge facing DeFi is scalability. As more users enter the DeFi ecosystem, the strain on the underlying blockchain infrastructure can slow down transaction times and increase fees. This can make it difficult for the DeFi ecosystem to achieve mainstream adoption. In conclusion, DeFi is a promising field with many potential advantages, such as financial freedom, transparency, and security. However, it is important to consider the challenges and disadvantages as well, such as the lack of regulation and scalability issues. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve and mature, it will be interesting to see how these challenges are addressed and overcome. Thank you for watching this video on the advantages and disadvantages of decentralized finance. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and finance.